Kurumzari, an encounter with Jiningumba meaning Tabiri Simbuham Tarama, Obseri, Nasi, a positive top of the guess a sea at taken as Nati, Manipur, Jacoibu, Malemda, Saktan, Honda, Asabuto down, no river, Aduga, Pum Kunmeri, left on a Zagoi Sar, world Adumba, record Tambada, Atubu, Mountain Taribu, Tuanba, International Humkia, the Akogi, not Sikunda, Honda, Asabuto, and now will be Adumba, Dr. Kangamam, Konini, Konimutaram.
Thank you.
Ahambala sending Simaruna, Karambakan, the Koi Manipur, Achoba, Jagoi, Malam, Sakta, Habiterico, Masika Palma, Kibano, Duga, Isasi, Koi, schooling Sika Mind or A, doing Matunda, Adu, not going up Sang Lamisia, see, they turn on the living.
Yamuizare, Aham Magda, I would chum opportunity, Mopivi, and what is Hanabagitan Japan, but say the Magdas with Tagat Cherry. So, as you have mentioned that my career-wise, I journeyed life say in the field of Manipuri dance. Since I belong to the community of Meitei and in Manipur state, especially ko Jagoi Isai, the dance, Haribu Kudimakse, a quickie the life, the quickie punsirol, the Loina the Nadum Lai Haizariba, have a de quickie, La Harauba and a quickie, Nasibau, the Lady Ba, a quickie festival Kayama, Yausangi festival Kayama, Sigi Hariba festival say, quickie. Luhong Goyang Oiro, a quickie, Nahut Naring Oiros, this the quickie Sankirtangi, Karigi, La Harabic, Lone associate or a lady, Hazariba. This the dum acquis exposed or a guy is a Pogla Agat minor later pa Aduk environment, a mother later. Aduna, I was always open to the field of dance and music. Aduka, that I professionally. Tamna Changjanjar Pasiti when I was at a very tender age, Haitareko, Jahi Aina Tariet Advaitaki Aina Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy da Tauraga I say certificate course at Tamba Hosere. Ada Aina Live Yam Paba Haigadra. Since I was very small at that time, Aduga Yangan Tamho Basina Aina Oja Guru Yamna Magulay Boza Guru, Imminent Wiki Boza Guru, Ahal Kayama, Tingnazaho Haitari, which is very rare in the Jiki fellow being Miam, so that's the Yamtanga Uibada, I get like a Pabata, Samnar Bata, Oza, Tingbazan Babu, Legidre, Gopat Masri, Mingwina Panjarabata, the Giti, Aquina, Ozane, Nisiza, Oza Tambango B, the Giti, Aquina, Lara, Bigitasu, Oza Kumar Maibi, Kainaga, Quina, Maming later Boza Guru Singse. Aina Kangna Jahoba, Una Uhoba, the Gimakuika Tana Jahoba, Kayama Saba say Pangzare. Aduga, Madudagi, Jahi, at once I admit Torp Matunda. Quickie Jagoi Raski festivals annually Dumpang Dukchai Hai Jain Dance Academy. So it was like as soon as I was admitted in the first year, Jay Ahan Bayor Pasita, Egi classroom environment, the Maktada. Ima Thorani Sabi, Kambiganiko, Ima Thorani Sabi, Sina, I say one classroom environment to the Ubas days the Madnang Ras Festival La Pasita is a hand Ras Festival, Ajedum, Krishna Sabagi Mana, Sanana Bagi train to Hopi Eba. Aduga, Luinana, Ozaguru Kaya Ama, Haitare, Aina Yam Ping, Itaki Yamna, Aina shape up town of Naropada, Sing Birapa, Yamna Hena, extraordinary, and on the trainings, the Pirapasida is the Ima Thorani Sabi. Adagidi Ima Indira, Oza Indira, Adagidi Oza Kamini, Adagidi Oza Ibimubi. Ibimubi, Quiki Sigi, Labor, production unit Kita, Quay senior artist in a Labibani, Manasune initiative Lobiraga, I give family na feels there's the palm, have the key Jen Dancing Academy introduced to Vivasisu, Aziki Oza Ibimubi, Tobirapani. On at mine told the Imatharan is Habina, I say Raski filter. I say Krishna Sabase, and Dokimati I say Mayamna Krishna Sabi, Hainasu, Haiba Mindonsu Tambiraga, Adum Krishna Sadana Laxare, Haijariba. And Krishna Sarapasana, Ozaguru Gatona, the Natamapasina, Chahi, 3 years ki course days the Sarapasana Academy artist ama oina, Ama the student ama oina su, I say. all over the India se sidesta ai se oja guru sing siga chapmin ba adagi program utluba Manipur ki masak tak lupa ki tanja se ahalam sing siga phangjawe haijari pa adu daita phangjabadui mathakta experience ama su aina phangjaore yam pik na haijari ba ko yam angang oina adugi mathakta hajiki matamda thengnadaba mamangi matamdadi hajikti flight ki journey se am lai redana so within half an hour and second matamda dum Kolkata Delhi South whatever chi chatlaga dum yoraga program ulaga dum yam thuna chatle ko yam short oire but distancing se like all the areas yam shorten oisale ba but at those time do matam dati we have to take the bus ki route chatayani it takes like hours no machange so Guwahati the whole tawdana lai bus all this awa basu nungai basu makhal mathin ji thengna jare haijari ba oja sing je ga ima leibak lot pi yamna tangnaba sutragi hajik ma bedridden oiraga narga leire ima singsiga adagi di ima sunakanda madhavi singjamaidagi moi khare sidi sutragi hairapade yamna tangnaba ojanga tani hajik yam an oiraba nga ta ro moi singsiga idi tinna to naraga pullaga chare ba aduga train gi journey se so achamba journey natte it takes a long time adu south taka journey Kalakshetra ra chatori program ki hairagadi it takes nearly 4 to 5 days so at that time I didn't realize matam to I realized out depa but chatmin naringai matam se da oja guru singsena akhoida takpirakpa wari sanarakpa information kaya ama pirakpa se ngasi di mantra oireba that I realized now only on a mantra oina lehoroga maduduna aina groom torokpa aina ngasi position lakpa se da hena ai enhance tongna ba ai career da maduna mating oire haijani aduga since aina angangi oina sum Krishna Sabagi Lamsida Adoki Mati Aji Krishna Samasing Tingamdre on a certain institution, they give the government body, ICCR, they give the Indian government, Manipur state government, they give the many other institutions called Sigal Luina Sigi Makada, NEJCC, whatever, Sigal Luina Dum Torok, I say Phil Kayata, Oza Singal Luina as an artist, as a student of especially artists Oinako, Aduga, even production unit keys near Sing Siga Suluina, I say worked over Sedum. Krishna Saboina as an artist of the JNMGH then aina khara mature oira akanda when aina diploma course 9 years ke course ni koina loisun jare se JNMGH da aduna diploma course post diploma course and as minor lai aruda aina khara mature oira kana aina soloist sama oina train torokpa matamda aigi oza Padmasri lagi draba oza Thimbai Zambabu amadi oza ibimu bichana phajana moigi makhada oza se aina guru se mangonda aina hanana su thagachari maga aduga oza se kana kana hotna biraga soloist amachu oina train tawjarapani and then after that amatu loiraga in post diploma ga loidana loisalapa stage I was awarded with 2 gold medal called Sabita Ben Mehta and Guru Sir Sarkar se diploma matamda su I gold medal ani se phangjare then at the same time I have an opportunity ngasigi students sing ngasigi artists sing dati adyamna thuidokpa madugi opportunity se phangdre ajani kai kino da there are number of institutions dance ke institutions sangstan kaya ama thola abanina makhal mathen ge opportunity me ama mapan da sakta ugodaba jagui culture ugodaba se matam to the Jain Dance Academy am rarely haijari institution se auna we were like ngasi akhui Chennai gi damakta Kalakshetra chatle dana we akhui halakti ba then we have to go to Delhi again Delhi da mo program chum utlu resri photo mo then Delhi da gi mo Kolkata smai to the program dum turn chap ja halap pa thamani ga dum halakti yawe ba sigi experience da ko phange ba that akoi hajiki artist sing nati madu kitang wat le moi de phang ba se kai gino de institution makhal yama baina mai gai dagi dum chatna bai tare and then after madu gi experience to kaloina na aina magi traditional school ki mathak sidaista I personally guru shishya parampara gi matung da traditional way yum da chatana tamjarapada oza ima thorani sabi gi ta koina nat sankirtan gi ras lila gi ai detail da aina na jai mai makha da su ai junior research fellowship under the ministry of culture phangjarapane adagi yam pi ingai da na oza kamini ko guru kamini gi makha da ccrt gi scholarship phangaga mai makha da train tawjari adagi di oza thingbai jam babu ko lagi terba oza gi mapha da ina solo gi every important details and every some of the finest piece of guru movie and oza gi ai tamja hawi aduga and then akoi gi oza ibe movie ko bele akoi production unit ta jiti production unit haire manasu karaida karida hena enhance tong na bagi mating se chaung na pangbire no smai to na loisala pasina traditional guru dan guru shishya parampara gi khoi yum da chattana oza ga nei najarak pa and then after that aina Manipur University gi academic oina and the subject of university ki oina ahan ba Manipur University da Manipuri dance and how to rock pase sigi first batch so koino oire eba and I was also awarded Shadevi gold medal so I phangjare e madu taita aduna ahan ba batch ki ahan ba MA students so koina dum oijare ha ba Manipuri dance ki and my to dona la pasna PhD sina amu aina I had an opportunity to be pursue my PhD at Santiniketan kano talaipa Vishwabharati University in West Bengal Kolkata da aduna it was like aina mamangai da yamna Santiniketan say aina yam chaning ki ba I don't know why but I get to know the information that it was Rabindranath Tagore Guruji that mana university amata as a subject amoina as a discipline amoina Manipuri dance hyper subject naina rapase Guruji was the first to introduce Manipuri dance as a subject of the university amagi discipline amoina introduced to was a Guruji na tawgiba so engonda yamna chatningba yamna khangningba yam yengningba yawkiba ko so fortunately I was like lucky enough to have my PhD course and pursue my PhD at Shantiniketan aduga I adudagi so Shantiniketan dagi PhD se I phangjaraga at the moment I am serving as a guest faculty at the Department of Dance and Music Manipur University.
Okay. It's a very interesting story maduga magi line mayam leigre ko ai na sini point han ba lajani se namo kamai to dana jagoi se pam kana gum khara na nangdi khoni jagoi sauni natraga nangdi si tawni na natra kai makar uru badagi jagoi se
inspired okay first of all as I would like to say is that being a Meitei ko jagoi isai si de na dum isa ga part moina leire eba aina hajari se laharau boda oiro agi mother na somehow we dress well and then everyone my sisters my brother used to take part as a thogalamoina ko thogalamoina dum participate tawzare smai tawdana la pasana there's a very interesting story okay I would like to share with you mamangai da akhui gi aina yam pi ingai se da ai gi sister ichi yamase we are 7 of us ko akoi ichinau tari neba nupi taruk nupa ama ko ai gi every koi ichinau sing je jago je dum khar khadi loi haiye when I was in a little flower high school ko leading I said that I said normally any function the kai the culture items I do participate tawzare eba my sister was very much also there so I was koi family gi oina madugi dance music say always madugi possible environment madum totnara laire eba ko then kamai to ge but there was an incident okay when my sister was selected as a member yam nahaw ina mana when I believe that she mas yam angang oidi class 6 7 and right warangani Russia da camp amatoba international camp amatoba aru da mas India ge oina selector pa India ge selector was mas ada representator ga yar ga dabsida cultural item gi Maitei jagoi Manipuri jagoi mama se tamme be yumda si sumang maksida tamba sida is oza amalaga tambi basi jagoi tambi basida I don't remember I diam kana wake oire ko ngonda de ada daida ai gi mother na li bane se ai gi mother na ai gi mana ada mana sumang de jagoi se tamlai basna ai na padam room da imungda exactly oza no tai ba ichi da tai ba pose ai judum practice to we hai ara it was my mother who for the first time try detect or opposite, she has some kind of talent. It's a parent ki job is important. I realized that. So she tried to like mana ubaja ne bako. I want the magi kano se lay interest lay ba. Ramona talent se lay na higher cancer. When my sister went to Russia, the Russia does Indiana first started. That is my Manipuri dance na first started. Maze halle eba. Adu mind tau dana Czechoslovakia dan lay na do. Adu matanda. Aduna. Ais na sumna kandale ho basita mata mama da emipo haidana all Manipur yang pana association main tau dana yam leira midana hajik ti tagitre adu ki pot se yam na akoi se yam active na yaur eba camping tau ba adegi ti akoi ki on isagi kanu mas kanu ngam na bagi groom tong na bagi ag talent hunt tau bagi si ki pot se yam na madu matam tu da yam exercise tau me adu main tau basita is akoi se camping amma Manipur ki state ki na organized tau amma tau eba Oriental College I believe as I remember, if I'm not wrong, adu the tau basida is the cultural item ma yaupa. I know quite a picture niko contestant me amarak sida is the adu raita. My mother come to me. I naktala aga nang nahangi cassette. No ichi na mapanda saru bado nang sabang gadra nang kese se thara tau gera na hai ara aina ngang oin hai ma aina ngamni hai ja ne ba then I was taking part in the event to the year kanda aina su first time hai aina su first time eva ko ozan Dr. Nuraga su yaw ki matam du da aina zum u bada and my tau dana my mother was the first one to try to like find out the talent, hidden talent in me, and see mana I say professional or masigi lines is the career wise mase tamhange na khangi basu mana direction che piraga imas na ai talent su khangbiraga and mind tawraga oza a movie aina sai panjagi to maga loina na is dance academy to introduce to open ba and mind tawra and at the same time jogu is ai na pam ga as a passion moina sum tawra present da Little Flower School da ina tamak matam da su ozagu mugi ozasing headmistress me am da I say little dancer ina te kawe ba little dancer and then kawe ba na because program lai du to ina te tawrap do awna even when I was in the class 9 standard 8 9 tamak matam da I say mugi room da thaga da bane habna choreography mata hole ba koi like hundreds of students are there. Adu koi na dam da sinda dam da chatlaga namme. Adu da so I say I chema khaka ite angang chema khaka tominaraga akoi se choreography je tawba hogre music to the kuina design tawraga Manipur style tawraga. And mind taw na ina jogoi ga matam turadi jogoi chungam na bo nai adegi the academic line so I suidana bo na re na academic line da ina after my this one 10 metric lower matungda since I was very young when I was admitted at the dance academy and ko certificate course I am pick panina metric tharam dai haitare class 7 8 9 gi je aina khara break oina lauraga 10 loiraga madungda 12 loiraga diploma mo join taweba but breaks a break lai handre ba kai the program gi the makta di I was always there at the academy that I adum associate tawraga lai ba I haijari do side program yam kunge ba se the program sing asi ki makeup se tai koi Krishna Savai heavy makeup oidana costume do classical gi haying the program dunai dune ba so I wonder ai ngasi silly se dum haying ba lai radi phadam ne na dum khalak ba matam yaure ba aduki matam program se kunge duga maduna se hena se experience akoi da su lai ba ngamme ba adna ozaguri sung siga loina ra ga mind tau dana hona ra pasina madugi matung da su aina jagoi gilam se da ista hena sum urak padagi akoina urak pada mapan gilam da su aina thengna jarak pauza me mama adegi di samna harbata akoigi yamna experience lairaba expert kayama kapilavat sign urakpa ko adegi di lila samsan thengna rakpa adegi mapan gi choreographer paw urakanda how they like in the world of dance magi field to dance to loina na scholarly oiba another character amasumui build up to base I came to be aware and madugi scenario I ubu phangi eba masakse which was I at that time I didn't see here in Manipur. I ne big na urakpada ko aduguma poch urakpa I was really impressed and I was really have a desire to like I so someday when I perform at the same time I also like want to explain what I am dancing for. Aina dancing to is karigino. Ai jago is karigi sarino. Kedobai sarino. Kedona basarino. Aruga ai culture karino. Hai bagi pose. Aina masigi pose. So I tapangam ninga pagi. Moi the maduki scholarly or put some to Europado. Aina ai kanu so inspiration ama pange eba. Downing bombs of power, winning bombs of power keep a call, which was very rare in the Manipuri artists. Haigatra kuile pojaguru with anamana traditional that laser e he na jitigi kalas is a devoter ga later epako but in today's scenario that the madugi pose scholar performer scholar oibaise is a must with a pamatamo la khale eba adugi poto madugi inspiration do I got from many eminent personalities like Kapila Vatsyayan, Leela Samsons and many other international choreographer working around who try to explain what they are doing for, who try to cheerize the thing, who try to bring out not only performance to the natana performance to gi magi magun mai karino habagi haina nabigi kanu se maduju topose thingnazare haizare ba admain tawdana so I was pursuing adugi potusu thajara aingonda lerakpato masu aina hotnazare when I was in the after my this one 12th floor of matungda I take this one BA course English honors the DM college tawzare and it was very hard time I still remember at a time professional line to soy chatna hotnaba diploma course at the same time academic line to soy dana hotnarapa but luckily DM college ta ahan boina honors course harapa matamda pungse 9 dagi hauraga 11 bang taweba ko magi subject main subject se adugi course hek levaga dance academy GNMD is dana 11 day hauraga pung mari bang diploma class taweba so as soon as my honors papers loiraga I ran to next distance talk. I ran to the dance academy and I continued with that is how I struggled and how I participate. Adi mathakta program later gadi that's why my mother I am really thankful to my family who really care for me in a health kisu consist so moina labor ni na char madugi su moina arrangement tawbi ba marakta kari tawgini khorkani habse asigi arrangement su tawbiraga diploma course so mo mind tawdana hotnara amatungda MA tawu matamda su I English MA English soy loisare MA English kai suna kan diploma course so I mathang si loisana ba hotnazare eba aduga luckily diploma ine MA English ek loirapada MA dance hangdure eba it was like my chance to but I'm lucky enough that adu da sumo in the first beach where adu da sumo yahopa yaraga madu da gi torba so I was like at the same time sinamo aigi career wise raga on the other hand as a dancer as a choreographer na aina work tawzar pasisu mamang da aina World Dance Alliance ki conference ama adu 2009 the GNU organized for the first time in India ko Asia Pacific aina madu daita tawba matam se da there was a conference academic sulaiba researching dance and a dance ki maram danga tani nainari se international choreographer apawo ke ama adagi di international enthusiast ke ama mayam expert ke ama yawe ko adu daita da Somdana academic session nama conference sataraga simultaneously nakanamadana workshop conducted by the renowned choreographer, renowned choreographer since Cynthia Lee kind of Taiwan dagi America dagi laiba adagi di Anusa Lal India dagi adagi Nasit Siddiqui kind Pakistan based America dagi laiba adagi Che from Cambodia adagi di kano Ponrat Dam Room from Thailand, adagi akoina Karin Karino from the Singapore kind of choreographer mayam say workshop almost satayba. So I had an opportunity to experience and work and train under this expert mayam because we luina hoba mo work mind to we khangba workshop situation da koi punna work to minarakpa adugumba gi experiences so ai phangjare haijariba aduga at the same time academic session du chu yawraga workshop chu yawraga lae madugi matungda in 2010 sida leiba ko gi northeast India ga southeast Asia ga intercultural dialogue ama koi Northeast India ki entire some part of the states in sida chatlaga koi workshop conduct we cultural exchange ke amata we with many of the other countries like Cambodia, Thailand, Indonesia asina chingba kaya yawi ko sida yawraga koi Northeast ke artists in siga pullaga tawmina bane aro the final production nama koi na work tawri bagi mayam to ki workshop environment du daita another fusion dance haidana 125 artists punna saba choreography ama koi utleba ahanda premiere na Guwahati gi Kalakshetra da utle duga final product kanusina koina Delhi gi IGNC da utleba maduda choreographer sing se power choreographer from Thailand Ponrat Dam Room yaure adegi di Cham Wasna haidana Cambodia da yaure adegi ni Nopon from Thailand adegi di Indonesia dagi na Hani yaure aduga Bali dagi na Nyoman Sadana haina Professor Nyoman Sadana smain tawdana mayam punna mokoi ka yauminaraga koina 1 hour I remember if I remember 1 hour ki choreography ama koi punna 125 artists ki production ama ko adu su puthok chagre adu da su experience ai khara lehaujare as a choreographer moina and then after that koina a start debut handakta hidreka unfortunately masam a power contemporary dancer maneba aduga ma se akoina sidais the workshop ama FFLT na organized toraga FFLT ni exercise ga yam sang ba intense workshop under resource person like Astad Devu se ku work dominayeba aduga madugi final production ama su untitled line na koina dance theater ama koi production tauza kare ba maduda su ai contribution yauzaki adu remind taudana madugi matungda handak tasu ai Ileana Chitoristi kaina ga adagi Diana from kano dagi Belarus Maria from Russia hariba mayam se ka pundana associate tawraga work tawba adagi di naina ba tana ba khanamina ba sigi pose hojik sirum chatharaga leijari haijari ba aruga hojik su mamange koina cherry kano virtual event festival se sida su ai cherry nacho maina ai composition ballet ama su puthok chakre aduga mayam na su yam appreciate tawbira iko ngasi ba su dum appreciate tawraga leiri aduga masigi matung da su mathangi corona gi khatang leiriba environment pandemic sida khatang subside tawrakati achoba production ama su khoina streamline da leiri habadi maduna Rukmini haina ballet ama pung 45 minutes ki artist sumi 40 to 50 artists ni akoina mamang da masi honorable prime minister India gi mamang da utkada bane but because of this pandemic was postponed to later ki chum later pane ba but as soon as see say environment pandemic situation se katang subside to na normalcy da lagta ragati madu su athubu matam da koi so cast on abo hotnari
okay masapa wari me thambire madak sida atin program da log break matung da koi leriba Manipur gi Zagoi gi film se karmai lere masi kana ba thapin pur bataka wori he na masi koi modernized form da madu photo bataka bataka lecture post da kari hafse bataka wori have to koi kan khange so viewers atin program da log break matung da yam thuna manjara yam ngai je koni yam phasaba wari paring si yam phatna litha bire aduna koi yam episode si koi khara tin ba ai tara aduna ngasi gi episode si han bi episode si bisla silaga ani shibu episode haiba tai maduda mo koi unajena bi ta jalam ke thank you very much for joining us in our encounter with Jiningomba aduga mathangi chawda mu lakchara kanda koi makhata na koi tungan ba hariba koi hajik kari plan leriba live ta aduga tungan ton ba leri kya phone ki video phone ki am leri madula chege ngasi di thank you very much
thank you
So viewers, ngasigidi encounter with Jit Ningumba matang explanation jere matang ani sibu episode ta koi paring nai na koi manipur gi sangai rebi nahaw rebi adu umba dancer aduga doctorate me ama phangabi adu be chela si uni tan jalo ge. Good night for today. See you next week.